trial. Them I wonder how we dance when we never get that chance. Them I wonder how we sing with no material thing. Them I wonder, but they will never understand. Them I wonder how the roots man always rise. Them I wonder, Jah truth hidden from their eyes. Them I wonder how we love, with no pushing, with no shove. Them I wonder how we go when they say we got no hope. Them I wonder how we build when our father's blood was spilled. Them I wonder, Babylon will never overstand. Them I wonder how the roots man always rise. Them I wonder, Jah truth hidden from their eyes. We don't wonder, we just know. Plant the seed and watch it grow. We don't wonder, we just feel Jah love is what is real. Let them wonder, let them stare. Roots and culture everywhere. Let them wonder why we free. Jah Kingdom is the key. Them I wonder, but we know. Them I wonder, watch us grow. Standing at the threshold of a higher place. Jah Kingdom calling every rootsman face. Through the fire and the flood, I kept the faith. No Babylon illusion gonna take my space. Every righteous soul was born to find the way. Jah Kingdom closer with the break of day. Gates of Jah, gates of Jah, open wide for every conscious mind. Gates of Jah, gates of Jah. Babylon confusion far behind. Elders said the kingdom never built by hand. It grows inside the roots, man, where he stand. Herb smoke rising like a morning prayer. Jah Kingdom breathing in the open air. Every righteous soul was born to find a way. Jah Kingdom closer with the break of day. Gates of Jah, gates of Jah, open wide for every conscious mind. Gates of Jah, gates of Jah, leave all Babylon confusion far behind. No visa needed, no border to cross, no captain steering, no empire bars. Just Jah true lighting every part. Righteousness outlasting Babylon's wrath. Gates of Jah, gates of Jah, gates of Jah, gates of Jah. Plastic in the ocean, poison in the stream, corporate destruction, killing every dream. Mother Earth is crying, can nobody hear? Heal the land before it disappears. Heal the land, heal the land. Every root and river needs our hand. Heal the land, heal the land. Jah creation more than we had planned. Heal the land, heal the land. Every root and river needs our hand. Heal the land, heal the land. Jah creation more than we had planned. Cut down every forest, pour the concrete deep, selling off tomorrow just to buy today cheap. But the earth remembers every wound and scar. Heal the land, remember who we are. Heal the land, heal the land. Every root and river needs our hand. Heal the land, heal the land. Jah creation more than we had planned. Heal the land, heal the land. Every root and river needs our hand. Heal the land, heal the land. Jah creation more than we had planned. Plant a seed instead of a wall. Listen to the river before it falls. Breathe the air before it is gone. Heal the land, pass the healing on. first psychologist, long before the science, long before the list. Urban earth and water, sacred from the start, heal the land, begin inside the heart. Some days the burden heavy as a stone. Some days the road feels like walking alone. Some days the fire barely keeps its glow. Some days the river forgets where to go. But the stone becomes the foundation, and the alone becomes the meditation, and the fire finds its second wind, and the river always bends heavy as the stone, but the stone don't break us. Heavy as the stone, but the weight just makes us stronger than before, deeper than before, rooted even more. Heavy as the stone. Seen the strongest elder bow beneath the weight. Seen the proudest warrior almost miss the gate. Seen the brightest flame swallowed by the night. Seen the clearest vision losing all its light. But the elder always finds the morning, and the warrior takes the loss as warning, and the flame returns with more intention, and the vision sharpens in the tension. Heavy as the stone, but the stone don't break us. Heavy as the stone, but the weight just makes us stronger than before, deeper than before, rooted even more. Heavy as the stone. This is not defeat, this is Jah refining. This is not the dark, this is gold lining. Every heavy moment carries hidden grace. Every heavy stone holds a sacred space. Heavy as the stone, but we carry on. Heavy as the stone, till the weight is gone. Heavy as the stone. Heavy as the stone. turning toward the light. Jah Kingdom was the morning after every night. Jah Kingdom, Jah Kingdom, not a dream, but the ground beneath our feet. Jah Kingdom, Jah Kingdom, every root and every rhythm now complete. Three albums deep now, still the bass rings true. Sacred smoke to blood and fire, now Jah Kingdom too. Every track a stepping stone upon the righteous road. Every song a hand extended, helping bear the load. Jah Kingdom, Jah Kingdom, not a dream, but the ground beneath our feet. Jah Kingdom, Jah Kingdom, every root and every rhythm now complete. We heal the land, we walk good through the storm. We stood still standing through the fire warm. We sat in midnight session till the morning came. We rode with Lionheart and never lost the flame. We wandered at the river, we climbed the mountain high. We let the smoke rise upward to the kingdom sky. And after all the journey and after all the road, Jah Kingdom was already everywhere we go. So light the chalice one more time, let the bass line fall, let the organ breathe and answer every call. This is not the ending, this is where roots grow. Jah Kingdom, everywhere we go. Jah Kingdom, everywhere we go. Jah Kingdom, in the high and the low. Jah Kingdom, in the bass and the drum. Jah Kingdom, already come, already come. Jah Kingdom. Not tomorrow, not in another life, not after more suffering and strife. Kingdom come is happening right now, in the one God, in the sacred vow, in the herb smoke curling to wipe the star. The baseline, traveling near and far. In the just pass. Kingdom come, kingdom come, already here for those who have the eyes. Kingdom come, hidden in plain sight beneath your skies. Not a place built of golden gates, not a reward for those who sit and wait. Kingdom come is the conscious mind. Kingdom come is leaving hate behind. Is the neighbor feeding neighbor in the night? Is the drummer keeping everyone inside? Is the mother holding family? Oh, kingdom come, already in the soul. Kingdom come, already here for those who have the eyes. Kingdom come, hidden in plain sight beneath your sky. Stop searching far and wide. Kingdom come is living inside. Stop waiting for a sign. Kingdom come is yours and mine. Right now, right here. Kingdom come, crystal clear. When the bass drops and the people move as one. When the herb smoke rises toward the sun. When the reasoning goes deep into the night. Kingdom come, burning ever bright. Kingdom come, already here. Kingdom come, nothing to fear. Right now, right now. Kingdom come. Jah provision laid out on the ground. Kingdom vibes, the most beautiful song. When you tune into the frequency of Jah, kingdom vibes reaching near and far. Kingdom vibes, flowing through the roots and through the earth. Kingdom vibes, reminding every soul of their true worth. Children playing in on the corner, dropping wisdom rhyme. Herb smoke curling lazy in the breeze. Kingdom vibes floating through the trees. When you tune into the frequency of Jah, Kingdom vibes reaching near and far. Kingdom vibes flowing through the roots and through the earth. Kingdom vibes, reminding every soul of their true worth. Baseline deep below, feel it in a one-drop steady flow. Feel it in the organ warm and round. Kingdom vibes, the most righteous sound. Kingdom vibes, Kingdom vibes, Kingdom vibes. Lionheart people, never twice the same. Lionheart, Lionheart, roaring through the darkness of the age. Lionheart, Lionheart, cannot cage a lion, cannot cage. But not of our soul, stripped of our land, but the drum made us whole. Dreadlocks like a crown on the head of the free. Lionheart burning for all eyes to see. Lionheart, Lionheart, roaring through the dark of the age. Lionheart, Lionheart, cannot cage the lion, cannot cage. What you already forged, you cannot silence what the ancestors gorged. Into the bloodline, into the bone. Lionheart people, chest. No need for the rest. Just the drum, just the organ, just the herb, just the reasoning. Midnight session, midnight session. When the world is sleeping, we are wide awake. Midnight session, midnight session. Finding all the truth that daylight tries to take. 2 o'clock, the city finally is still. Baseline working like a bitter pill, curing everything the daylight broke. In the midnight session and the sacred smoke. Midnight session, midnight session. When the world is sleeping, we are wide awake. Midnight session, midnight session. Finding all the truth that daylight tries to take. Yeah. This is when the elders speak. This is when the mystics see. This is when the veil is thin. This is where the truth gets in, yeah. No distraction, no confusion, just the basic. Jah conclusion. 4 o'clock, almost morning now. Elder nods his head, shows the youth the heart. Soon the sun will come and we scatter like smoke. But midnight session never truly broke. Midnight session, bass still running. Midnight session, morning coming, but not yet, not yet. From the east to west and north to south we rise. One people under Jah's eternal skies. Every color, every tongue, every face. One people running in this righteous race. Division is the weapon Babylon creates. One people tearing down those prison gates. One people standing strong beneath the tearing down those prison gates. One people, one people, standing strong beneath the roots and sun. One people, one people, Jah Kingdom built when we become as one. Not the color of your skin, not the country you were born, not the language that you speak, not the clothes that you have worn. Just the fire in your heart, just the truth inside your soul, just the roots beneath your feet. One people making whole. One people, one people. One people, one people.
Children of the river, born from the deep, wisdom of the water, ours to keep. Cool on the skin, warm in the soul, river of life, making broken people whole. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain, river of Jah, falling like the rain. River of life, carrying every rootsman home. River of life, no righteous soul was meant to roam alone. Some rivers run shallow, some rivers run wide, but Jah River runs deeper than any divide. Drink from the source, let it fill every part. River of life, flooding the heart. Even in the desert, the river is there, flowing underground, through rock and through air. Trust in the current, let Jah navigate. River of life, leading to the gate. River of life,
on the mountain where the eagle flies. Herb smoke drifting upward through the skies. Rastaman communing with the universe. Every puff of wisdom breaking every curse. Mountain top is where the truth is clear. Smoke on the mountain washing out the fear. Smoke on the mountain, smoke on the mountain, rising up to Jah from the sacred ground. Smoke on the mountain, smoke on the mountain, carrying our prayers with the holiest sound. Ancient hills of Ethiopia calling still. Herb smoke answering from every hill. Generations gathered round the flame. Smoke on the mountain always feels the same. Mountain top is where the truth is clear. Smoke on the mountain, washing out the fear. Smoke on the mountain, smoke on the mountain, rising up to Jah from the sacred ground. Smoke on the mountain, smoke on the mountain, carrying our prayers with the holiest sound. Every breath, a meditation, every cloud, a conversation with the Most High. With the Most High. not begging, not small, not finished, not fading, not going anywhere at all. Una Bamacana, una Bamacana. Systems rust. Roots people standing on the self-same ground. One drop rhythm, still the only sound. Still standing, still here, still rooted, still clear. After everything, still standing. Zinc fence and red dirt, barefoot on the ground. Evening cooking fire, the most beautiful sound. Neighbor calling neighbor, children running free. Tenement yard living, that's where I wanna be. Tenement yard, tenement yard. More riches here than any king could find. Tenement yard, tenement yard. Babylon's gold can never buy this kind. Old man on the corner, 60 years of truth, passing down the wisdom to the searching youth. Chalice in the evening, reasoning till dawn. Tenement yard culture can never be torn. Tenement yard, more riches here than any king could find. Tenement yard, Babylon's gold can never buy this kind. No swimming pool, no marble floor, no security guard at the iron door. Just earth and laughter, just drum and bass, just your people holding sacred space. They call it poverty, we call it roots. They call it nothing, we call it truth. Every crack in the concrete grows something green. Tenement yard, you the finest ever seen. Tenement yard, where the roots run deep. Tenement yard, a treasure we keep. place for the wicked left to hide. Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning. Jah power shaking every stone and wall. Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning. Every false and crooked thing must fall. Drum beating like a gathering storm. Thunder and lightning is a righteous norm. When Jah speaks, the heavens open wide. No place for the wicked left to hide. Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning. Jah power shaking every stone and wall. Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning. Every false and crooked thing must fall. We are not the storm, we are the calm inside. We are not the thunder, we are Jah truth and pride. Let the lightning fall where the wicked hide. God's people standing on the righteous side. Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning. Walk with my son. The road is long, but the journey has begun. Carry Jah truth like water in your hands. Walk good through all these foreign lands. Walk good, walk good. Every step upright upon the earth. Every mile reminding you of worth. Oh yeah. Mother at the doorway, tears upon her face. Walk with my child, Jah will keep your place. No matter how far, the roots will call you back. Walk good and never leave the righteous track. Walk good, walk good. Every step a prayer upon the earth. Walk good, every mile reminding you their fate.